Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good night, Diaries. So today I want to take you along. I'll be preparing dinner for my family of five. So here are the ingredients to prepare this vegetable beef sauce served with white boiled rice. So guys, let's get started. So in my cooking pan, I'm going to add olive oil. You can make use of any oil of your choice. So start with the beef, the marinated beef. I'm going to fry it. While I'm still frying the beef, I'm going to bring water to boil, add some salt, some carrots and broccoli. Allow to cook for 2 minutes, then I'll remove it from the heat. So before I continue, I want to welcome you specially to my returning subscriber, my subscribers, and to those that are yet to subscribe. You guys are welcome. Thank you for tuning in. And if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe and get to know more about Goodness Diary. Thank you all for your messages, for your like, and for the share. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. God bless you more and more. So at this point, I just added the carrot and broccoli. Allow to cook for 2 minutes, then I'll pull it off. So this sauce is so rich in protein and nutrient. It is recommended if you're losing weight, you can add it in. So after removing the carrot and broccoli, in the same pot I added some water to boil my rice. So at this point the beef is already fried, so it's time for me to add more oil. Then I add some onions, ginger, and garlic. Allow it to fry. So while this is frying, I'm just going to wash my rice. After bringing the water to boil, then I will add the rice to cook. So guys, this recipe is so delicious, healthy, and it is recommended. In case you haven't tried this recipe, just give it a try. So after bringing the water to boil, I added some salt, stir in the washed rice, cover to cook. So continue with my veggies. So here I added the broccoli, carrot, and chopped tomato. Add some seasoning. Then I add some pepper, grounded pepper. Stir in my fried beef. Mix to combine. So I'll be using cornstarch. You can make use of corn flour or heavy cream to thicken your sauce. So guys, just look at the color. It is so beautiful. This dinner recipe is yummy. I just like it. Look at the combination. So lovely. So this is how it is going, and wow, if you have watched up to this moment, please subscribe. Subscribe, share this video, like and comment on it, guys. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. So I'll be adding all the ingredients, everything. At this point, I'm just going to cook on low heat. I don't want it to be too soft. I just want some of the veggies to be crunchy, so I'm not going to cook it too much. So guys, sauce is ready, looking creamy and yummy. So dinner is ready, served with boiled rice. So guys, it's testing time and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you so much and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye.